Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Arcalia Luna here and I have an unboxing for you today. I'm sorry that my posting schedule has been a little bit all over the place, but finding time is really difficult at the moment. But let's try and catch up. I am filming a few videos today and hopefully that will get us all sorted out. I'm hopefully filming one of the rituals to go up tomorrow, which will be Sunday, and hopefully every single Sunday I will have either a witch casket, a Freyas Cauldron, or a random spell to put up on the channel for Sundays. So today I have got the Freyas Cauldron to unbox. Here she is. Obviously it's too big to fit into the frame, so I've got a little table at the side of me and I'll show you guys what's inside. So, okay, on top we've got all our paperwork as usual, which tells you everything that is in the box, and it gives you information on what's on the box as well. So it doesn't just tell you what you get inside it, she gives you like plenty of information about what is inside it as well, so it's easier for you to learn. So it's like an education box as well. So first thing I can see, and by the way I've not opened any of this yet, is that a first for me on this channel? But look, sealed. I've not opened anything. So this is the first thing that is in the box. Let me just open that up. And it is our little Sabbat card for this month, and we have Samhain. It tells you all the colours, gods and goddesses, symbols of Samhain, herbs and plants, crystals and incense. There. These are absolutely beautiful. I'm so glad that we get these. It's just like a really nice quick guide that you can look at if you forget something and decorate your altar using this guide. It's really, really nice. And then there is, this here, pumpkin craft kit. Something that I don't usually do is go through the information as I'm unboxing. So let me just see if I can find the... Oh, so the Samhain one is actually the 5th card that we've received, and it's exclusive to Freyas Cauldron and designed by Cat Mad Gifts. Right, so we have got here... Oh, right, okay. I'm not very good at the whole, like, crafting thing. A pumpkin craft kit, a piece of orange felt, cotton wool balls. We need to use some of our Samhain herb blend, or comfrey herb from the sub box. Oh, whoops, guess I just gave that away. Thread in orange, needle or glue, optional ribbon or string. So you get, so you've got a little templates to cut out there. Cut 2 in orange of the main pumpkin. Cut 2 in orange of the middle of the pumpkin, and cut 1 in green of the stalk. And it tells you how to do it all there. And then it gives you what you need as well. So we've got the felt here, and we've got some cotton balls in there as well. So that's fun. That'll be fun. I need to get round to doing the craft that we get in this kit sometimes. And let me see if I can find something on that. She said it's a little bit of fun for Halloween, an easy to make felt pumpkin kit. Everything is in the bag, but feel free to decorate and adapt as you see fit. Okay, so here we have a black tourmaline crystal. I've got a few pieces of black tourmaline now. Oh, but I haven't got a rough piece. So this is actually a rough piece of black tourmaline. Oh, lovely. Okay, let me just come out. Okay, here she is. Wow. I love, I love, I love, love. That is gorgeous. Let me see if I can find. So it's a natural chunk, a wonderful stone for our theme in this month's box. And there are more details in the box paperwork. So this is what she does. She gives you a piece of writing. I don't know if you can see that there. It's been really funny lighting lately. Days have been so dull, but there you go. That's all the information that she has on the black tourmaline. So you can file that away in your little book of shadows, and then if you need to, you can come back to it. Right, let's see what else we've got in here. Hematite heart pendant. Okay. Let's have a look. A wonderful piece of jewellery with beautiful... Oh, where is it? With a beautiful hematite heart. There is also more information on hematite. So she's even given us more information on hematite as well as... So there we go. That's the piece on hematite if you want to... pause that and read. And here is the necklace. That is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Let me just put the camera down a little bit. The lighting is awful at the moment. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. And look at all the detail on it as well. That is gorgeous. And there's little chunks of hematite here. And that's the big heart. That is really pretty. Okay, what else have we got? A home protection spell kit. Okay. Let's open this up. Our spell kit for this month is a very useful one for this time of year, when the veil between the worlds is thinning. Info on how to do the spell kit is in the bag, but as always, feel free to adapt. So this is one that I may film for tomorrow. So here is our little sheet that we can put in our little book of shadows. It tells you how to do it all. It's a two-sided one. And we've got a little brown tea light and this really pretty plaque that says this home is protected. And that is it. That is all we need. So it says that we will need the wooden home protection amulet, the brown cinnamon tea light. Oh, it's brown cinnamon. Oh, that smells divine. A small amount of the Samhain herb blend, a small amount of the Comfrey Leaf, black tourmaline crystal, which we have got there. That's something that's really good as well. She always includes everything that you would need for any ritual that she puts in here. Okay, pentagram protection amulet. So I have an amulet as well. Let's have a look. Oh. So this is it, and you can make it yourself, you thread it. That's really, really cool. And then you can hang it up. I like that, that's really cute. What's she written about that one? Another of Graham's designs, so Graham is her partner. We have a wonderful wooden frame for you to thread your own pentagram with the cord provided. The kit comes with the instruction card. Yeah, so that's it. Right, okay, cool. Let's see what our oil is for this month, and it's going to be some sort of protection, I'm guessing. home protection. So this is home protection oil. Let me give it a sniff. So this month's oil has been created just for the box. It is a potent blend of oils for use in home protection. It has been tried and tested, as I do with all my oils, before I release them for sale or put them in the boxes. That's really nice, is that? Okay, so we've got our herbs for this month. We've got our Sabbat of Samhain. Let me find... A herb blend is a collection of herbs chosen for their association with the Sabbat of Samhain. This blend can be used in a number of ways. It can be sprinkled on your altar or placed in a bowl if you like your altar to be tidy. It can be added to charm bags, royals, ritual baths, etc. And obviously some of the rituals that she's put in here. So let me just have a little open of that. That's what it looks like. Very nice. Lovely. And then we have our Comfrey Leaf as well. A very useful herb to have in your collection, and as usual there is a sheet. This is the first time I've had Comfrey Leaf. I've not actually got this one in my collection. So let me just have a little look about what it says for Comfrey Leaf. Here it is. So it's known as black wart, okay, or bruisewort. Oh, deities Hecate. Nice, I like it. It's for helping people build structure and form in their lives, creating order out of chaos and allowing them the strength to be themselves and organise their lives accordingly. I really, really like that. If you want to pause that to have a look, you can. That's really good. Okay, so we have got dinner candles again this month. We've got red. Oh no, it's not. It's orange. Hello. It looks red on the camera. It's actually orange. So we've got orange, black, and yellow Samhain colours. And oh, we've got our, I'm guessing it's our collectible for this month, which is our altar dish. Yes, it's our Samhain altar dish right here. Here we go. Oh yes, look at the backs of the pumpkins. I always put like a little tea light in there to celebrate Samhain. So I'll probably do my ritual with that in there. Like that. Fits perfectly. So you can put herbs in there. You can do whatever you want with that, really. Okay, so oh my gosh, is anybody else like having this problem with their altar? Like running out of, oh my gosh, running out of space everywhere. I'll pop that there because that's for Samhain. Okay, so that is everything in this month's box. So let's just recap. If I can find my sheet. So we had the Home Protection Candle Dressing Oil, which is made just for this box. Black, red and yellow dinner candles, which she sells on her website. The Comfrey Leaf herb, which she sells on her website. The Sabbat of Samhain herb blend, which is made just for this box. A black tourmaline natural chunk, which she sells on her website. Hematite heart necklace, which you probably will be able to get on her site. The Samhain altar bowl is a box exclusive, you can't get that anywhere else. A Samhain collectible card. Home protection spell kit for this box only. Pentagram protection amulet for this box only. And the pumpkin craft kit, which you can get. If you did want to subscribe and you're worried that you're going to miss out on the other of the collectibles, once you are subscribed, if you hit Freya up on Messenger. She will see if she's got any stock left, and you will be able to collect the whole collections, you know, of the ones that you have missed previously, but you do have to be an active subscriber to be able to do that. So that's it for this month's box. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you for joining me yet again, and I will see you in next week's video or tomorrow's video or whatever it is that I am doing with my life. I'll see you next time. Bye.